Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be planning for May 13th through May 19th, and I'm going to be using this planner kit 134D. And so I've got the hourly personal sampler, and then I also have the full box, half box kit. And so this matches my May monthly kit. And I love the colors on this kit so much. So the first thing that I'm going to do is lay down the bottom washi, and I am filming this on Sunday, which is Mother's Day, and I hope everyone is having a great Mother's Day. My husband took me out for breakfast this morning with our child, and now he took our child over to his parents' house. He has to help his father with something. And so my mother-in-law is just gonna kind of watch our child for a little bit while I film. So it kind of has worked out. So last week was my first week back. I got a lot of comments about how everyone was glad that I'm back and how excited they were. And I am so thrilled to be back planning on YouTube. So, okay, so bottom washi is down, and I'm gonna fold my planner in half. I'm just gonna concentrate on this half of the week. And so I'm gonna start with this full box that's on the personal hourly sampler. And I'm gonna do it at the line up top. And then something that I have been doing differently in cutting these checklists to be more of like an hourly format. So like in the morning, I give myself 3 things I need to do, and in the evening I give myself 4 things to do. It helps with like keeping my day more realistic about what I can accomplish and what I can't do so many tasks in a day. Like, it's just not reasonable. So I'm gonna put down, just gonna do all of my full boxes and all of my checklists. But it's something, I kind of got the inspiration from Lakin, who's Plan with Lakin, not Plan to Lakin, Plan with Lakin. And she switched over from vertical to hourly planner. And she became a little bit more realistic with the things that she could do in her day. And she actually used the hours to she changed the hours because the hours that were written down did not mesh with her schedule, but like she actually did use like hourly blocks about, like in this hour I'm going to film YouTube, and in this hour I'm going to do laundry and stuff like that, where I think, especially now that I have my baby, I really need to be a little bit more intentional with my time and be a little bit more realistic with how much stuff I can accomplish in a day. So, on Monday, I have a Mother's Day breakfast with my son at his daycare. And so I'm going to use a half box. I'm going to use, I think, this green one over here, and that's at 8:30 a.m. So Mother's Day breakfast at 8:30. And so since that's before I technically go to work, I'm going to put it above the full box. It's definitely crooked. And that is my favorite part about Planner Kate stickers. They come up super nicely. Okay. So Mother's Day breakfast, I'll zoom you guys in a little bit. And then in the evening, yes, my child is only 6 months old, but he has his first parent-teacher conferences. I am so excited. It's just a good way to, I'm gonna use a heart. The daycare that we take him to does have curriculum. So I'm gonna do 6 p.m. Parent-teacher conferences. So the place does have curriculum that they try to use. I mean, they don't try to, they do. So like they provide essentially kind of weekly updates of like things that he's been doing. And so this is just a way to go through the milestones that he should be hitting and like things we can do to like help him grow. So I'm really excited to kind of, you know, just see where the teachers think he is and, you know, stuff like that. So I'm super excited to go. So that is Monday. Tuesday, I have nothing. Wednesday, the daycare schedule is due, and so I'm going to put that marked with a star, and I'm going to use one of these larger appointment labels. Let's do pink. I'm still having issues with my work and my summer schedule. We had a lot of snow days this year, and so like we had 11 snow days this year, which I don't think has ever happened ever. Yeah, it's just, it was crazy, and so I have to I made up 3 snow days over spring break, and then so it's just, but this schedule is for June, which is, yeah, it's just been crazy, and I'm kind of tired of having to think about my June schedule. I have been thinking about it since March, and it's already May, and I still haven't had a solid schedule. So, okay, moving on to the second half of the week, I'm gonna put down my full boxes. So I don't have I say that I don't have a lot. Oh, shoot, and then Wednesday, oh my goodness, trivia got canceled last week. And it got moved to this week, so I'm going to use that as an exclamation point. And I'm going to use this green, this like green patterned quarter box. And I'll put trivia 7 p.m. Yeah, last week it was pouring on Wednesday, and it was just not a good it would have been really bad to go. So we decided to reschedule till this week. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one. Whoops. I'm definitely feel like I'm putting these on not exactly straight. So I think I said I was filming today. Today is Mother's Day. So I'm hoping that you're having a great Mother's Day. After this plan with me goes up, or after I'm done with filming this plan with me, I am going to reorganize all of my craft supplies and all of like my right around my desk, because it's just kind of become a dumping ground, and I am so tired of moving piles from place to place. Because I feel like that's literally the only thing I've been doing lately, is just moving them from place to place and trying to find an open spot, and it's become just bonkers to me. Okay. So I am going to pull these off and cut these checklists up. Okay, so the 3 in the morning. And I'm so excited for July, because we're dropping down my son's daycare to only being twice a week. So he'll be home with me the rest of the time, and we're gonna travel some as a family. My husband doesn't have any Army commitments in the month of July, because June, and that's another reason why June is so crazy, is because he's in the National Guard, so it's you probably have seen the commercials, like 1 weekend a month, 2 weeks a year. So his 2 weeks is in June this year. And so then that means that there's no drill in July, with how things are just laid out. And so we're planning on doing like a trip up north to a lake somewhere. So I am so excited. So excited. Okay, so Thursday, I have nothing. Friday, insurance open enrollment for me ends. And so I need to remember to talk to my husband and see what and these are both going to be for the morning. So I'm going to do inventory. And then insurance. Insurance open enrollment. Okay. So these sticky notes can go away. And then I don't think we have anything planned for this weekend. I think what I'm going to end up doing is maybe going to the library or the farmer's market or something like that, but I'm not entirely sure what the plan is going to be. I'm going to just focus on my sidebar. I need to I'm gonna put my don't forget on the green. Put that over here. School loan. Transfer stickers. June daycare schedule. June work schedule. Let's see. Trying to think if there's any other things that I need to be thinking about. I guess we can start thinking about vacation. And start planning our vacation plans for July. Okay, so I think that's it for this Plan With Me. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I should have another video coming out soon about how I bought my July kits from Planner Kate. I take you along shopping on Etsy for the July Planner Kate kits. So, yeah, keep an eye out for that. I have it filmed and the voiceover has been recorded. I just need to do like the thumbnail and the description. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.